Today we will study about the type of ionic crystal. An example is NaCl and try to establish its formula. Now here. Now this red ball represents the chloride ion. This red ball represents the position of the chloride ion, and chloride ion is placed at abscissa arrangement. It means all the corners will be occupied by the red ball, that is chloride ion, in the given unit cell. How many corners are there? There are 8 corners in this cubic unit cell. 1, 2, 3, 4 atoms on the top at the corner position and corresponding 4 atoms at the bottom of the corner position. And how many phases are there? There are 6 phases, and the center of every phases will be occupied by the chloride ion. It means the chloride ion is occupying the abscissa arrangement, which means that the atom will be placed at the corner, chloride ion will be placed at the corner of the unit cell, as well as all the face centered position will be occupied by the chloride ion. Let us have the view. Now here all the corner as well as the face centered position is occupied by the red ball, and red ball represents the position of chloride ion. So in this type of unit cell, red ball represents, which is larger in size because it is an anion. So it represents the chloride ion, and the smaller ball, that is sodium ion, is represented by the yellow ball, which is smaller in size because sodium ion is smaller than the chloride ion. Now let us study the position of the sodium ion. See the position of the sodium ion. For example, this yellow ball, the position of the yellow ball, it is placed at all the edge centered of the cube. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top, 1 yellow ball, 2, 3 and 4 at the top, 4 corresponding yellow balls at the bottom, and 4 along the center of the edges. Here, this yellow ball represents the adjacent center position along the side of the walls. One sodium ion is placed at the center of the cube, and this is the number of chloride ion per unit cell. Placed at the face centered position will be 6, and phase is common between 2 unit cell. So the number of chloride ion contributed from the face centered position will be 6 multiplied by 1 by 2, and that comes out to be 3. 6 multiplied by 1 by 2 will give you 3. So the contribution from the corner is 1, and the contribution from the face centered position is 3. So total number of chloride ion present in this unit cell will be 4. 3 plus 1, that comes out to be 4. Here 3 plus 1, 3 contributed from the face centered position and 1 from the corner. So total number of chloride ion per unit cell will be 4. 1 from the corner and 3 from the face centered position. Now let us count the number of sodium ion per unit cell. The position of the sodium ion is at the face centered position, at centered position, sorry. So the number of sodium ion is calculated as follows. For example, you know that edge is common between 4 unit cell. Hence, the contribution from the edge centered position will be, how many edges are there? There are total 12 edges in this unit cell. So, and you know that the edge is common between 4 unit cell. So 12 multiplied by 1 by 4. 12 multiplied by 1 by 4 will give you 3. So the 3 atom is contributed from the at center position, and since one of the atom, sodium atom, is also placed at the body centered position. One atom is placed, one sodium ion is placed at body centered position, and that is why, and since it is isolated to this particular unit cell only, so it will contribute only for this unit cell. So the contribution from the at center position is 3. 3 sodium ion is contributed from the at center position and 1 from the body center position. So the number of sodium ion per unit cell in this type of unit cell comes out to be 4. Now let us establish the formula. What is the ratio of number of sodium ion and chloride ion present per unit cell? Sodium ion 4 ions present per unit cell, chloride ion 4 ions present per unit cell, as you have calculated above. So the ratio of 4:4 comes out to be 1:1, and hence the formula of this type of unit cell is AB, and the formula of this crystal is AB type of crystal, and it is nothing but NaCl. The ratio of Na and sodium ion is to chloride ion comes out to be 1:1, and you know that the compound should be always electrically neutral. So 4 positive ion will neutralize the 4 negative ion, and the compound will be neutral. Here the formula will be NaCl. Now let us understand the coordination number of sodium ion in this unit cell. Now here, suppose the purple ball represents the chloride ion and smaller yellow ball is representing the sodium ion. Now how many nearest neighbor are there for this purple ball in case of two-dimensional lattice? Here this yellow ball is placed at the closer distance from the purple ball, and that is why the coordination number is defined as the number of nearest neighbors surrounding the central atom or a particular atom. How many yellow balls are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is in one plane. It means this sodium ion is surrounded in two-dimensional lattice with the neighboring 4 yellow balls. And suppose if we consider this as a 3-dimensional lattice, then one yellow ball will also be placed at the top of this purple ball and one at the bottom. So the coordination number comes out to be 6. 4 in one plane, 1 above this plane and 1 below this plane. The coordination number of sodium ion in this unit cell is 6. It means each sodium ion is surrounded by, each chloride ion is surrounded by 6 sodium ion. That is yellow ball, which is representing the sodium ion. Yellow ball representing the sodium ion and purple ball representing the chloride ion. So the coordination number of chloride ion will be 6. Chloride ion will be surrounded by 6 sodium ion. Now let us study the coordination number in this unit cell in 3-dimensional lattice. Now we take the corner atoms first. This corner is surrounded by how many nearest yellow ball, which is placed at the at center position. The at center position is near as compared to the corner. So there are 3 yellow balls placed at the at center position. This red ball is surrounded by 3 nearest yellow ball. Suppose we placed, it means what will be the coordination number of this sodium ion placed at the corner atoms. Now one along this edge, that is x-axis, y-axis, and here along this side, that is z-axis. There are 3 balls placed at the center position in this unit cell, that is observable. Here the sodium ion along x-axis, here the sodium ion along y-axis, and here the sodium ion is placed at the z-axis. Suppose we consider the another box or the cubical unit cell placed at this position. Now, here draw the opposite image of this yellow ball in three-dimensional lattice. One atom sodium ion will be placed opposite to this along the x-axis, and here the coordination number, so the coordination number along this and opposite to this one. It means there are two atoms opposite to this yellow ball. It is placed in this unit cell, and opposite to this yellow ball placed at this position. So the four yellow ball will be placed around this axis and one above, that is opposite along the y-axis. So the coordination number of this corner will comes out to be 6, and chloride ion will be surrounded by 6 yellow ball placed at the center position in a three-dimensional lattice. Now let us consider this body-centered position sodium ion. This sodium ion, which is placed in the body-centered position, will be surrounded by how many nearest chloride ion? Since the position of the face center position from the center is at smaller distance as compared to the position of the chloride ion compared from the center and the corner. The distance between the center and the corner is at longer distance, and distance between the center and the face center position is at smaller distance. Now, let us calculate the coordination number of the sodium ion. Take an example of the body-centered position. This body-centered position is at shorter distance from the face-centered position. So, how many face-centered atoms are there in this unit cell? That is chloride ion, which is placed at the face-centered position, that is 6. And the coordination number of this body-centered sodium chloride will be equal to 6. It also contains the chloride ion at the corner, but the position of the corner atom is at longer distance as compared to the position of the chloride ion, which is placed at the face-centered position. So the coordination number comes out to be 6 because there are total 6 phases and each phase contains one atom, and therefore the coordination number of this sodium ion will be 6. It means the sodium ion is surrounded by 6 chloride ion, and each chloride ion will be surrounded by 6 sodium ion. The coordination number of sodium ion is also 6, and the coordination number of chloride ion is also 6.